Now that our bed is ready for planting, all that's left to do is protect it from small animals. To do this, we'll assemble our small animal barrier. The first step is to insert our support tubes into the corner and center posts. Now that our support tubes are in place, we'll be adding our small animal corners and center over top. Now we'll slide the small animal screening into the corner and side channels, keeping the decorative side out. If you've purchased the additional deer fencing option, now's the time to add these support tubes into the center and corner posts. Just as we did on the lower level, we'll now add on our deer fence posts onto the corner and center of each support. What's important to notice on each of these support posts is that there's a stopper for the screen located at the bottom of the post itself. Making sure that this pin is always oriented down, you'll want to put this onto its post with the flat side facing in towards the garden. Place all remaining posts on their supports, making sure that they're oriented properly. Similar to how we sleeve the small animal screen, we'll do the same with the deer screening, keeping the decorative design facing outwards. Repeat the same process for the remaining open sections. To finish the beautiful garden look, each bed is complete with finial post toppers and a quality Burpee placard.